Hello, my name is Dylan and today I'll be doing a bike check for you. We'll start at the top and go to the back. At the top we've got two green ODI long necks, very comfy. We've got an Odyssey brake lever with Odyssey gyro cables with the 20 wide by 15 high We The People salt bars. We've got a We The People salt stem with 5mm reach. We have got a Snafu gyro plate that links to a sealed integrated salt headset. Then we've got the blue We The People truss frame with the salt forks. We've got genuine spokes on a salt double wall rim with salt hub and We The People tyre. We've got a 25 tooth Odyssey racing sprocket with sanded down salt cranks off a We The People Crisis. We've got a colony seat. We've got a We The 9-tooth cassette hub with genuine spokes on a double wall salt rim with We The People tyre with Odyssey see-through pedals. Thank you for watching my bike check.